Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's the Unemployed Hustler, and today in this video, we're going to be learning about how to make money online and get paid daily with Textbot AI. All right. See, I'm currently in Buffalo, and it is 1:58 right now. Well, my computer said 1:55, but nevertheless. All right. What we're going to be using, like I said, is Textbot AI. And Textbot AI is artificial intelligence, which is an automated virtual assistant. All right. Now, I am a Textbot reseller, meaning this Textbot opportunity was presented to me, and it was $100 to start, plus an admin fee, and for that $100, I got access to this software, okay, which is my link there. And you also, when you buy minutes, you have to buy usage time. All right, you get a phone number to advertise, and the software has back and forth text communication with customers or prospects that you send to your site or phone number. All right, and it talks to them about this program, and it makes sales for you, and it sends you, well, it has them send you $100 to sign up. I paid $100. I already made my 2 sales. My first sale came to me $100, and then my second sale went up to my sponsor, and then I made another sale after that. That $100 came to me. So total, I made like 3 sales, made $300 since I became a reseller. So I really pretty much I did make my money back. So everything now is pretty much profit. All right. So and this is pretty much how you can make money online and get paid daily. Okay. The way you get paid daily is every time. Where are we? Every time someone. Every time someone purchases the software, you can get paid directly. Where is it? All right. You can get paid directly to your Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, Google Play, Apple Cash, credit card, or Bitcoin. All right. So right now I'm using Bitcoin and Cash App. So every time I make a sale, the $100 comes straight to my phone. All right. So you don't have to wait to be paid. None of that. Like I said, the sales come straight to your payment provider that you use. All right. And it's pretty much that simple, guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me, and I will be showing you ways how to get traffic to your Textbot AI if you're already a member. And if you're not already a member or a reseller, right below this video there is a link in the description where you can sign up with me and become part of my team. And like I said, follow my YouTube channel, and I'll show you how to start getting sales and build your team. Your business. All right. Take care, guys. It's the Unemployed Hustler. Chat with you guys soon.